Last year, autonomous driving accounted for 37% of total mobility investments, representing a substantial portion. But this year there have been almost no large-scale investments in autonomous driving startups. Investment in the vehicle and mobility sector has been declining for 3 consecutive years. As of November, it reached only 224.6 billion Korean won, a 35% decrease compared to the previous year. After peaking in 2022 when investments were concentrated in autonomous driving technology, investments plummeted by 50% in 2023. And this trend has continued into 2025. The largest investment at present is 45 billion Korean won recorded by PlugLink, with no mega deals in the KRW 100 billion range for 2 consecutive years. The void left by autonomous driving has been filled by aviation and maritime mobility. In 2025, investments in this sector amounted to 65.5 billion Korean won, accounting for 29% of all disclosed investments. Looking at major investment activities, they include Prenu UAV KRW 15 billion, Seadronics Autonomous Ship Navigation KRW 15 billion, Next Aerospace UAV 18.5 billion Korean won, Adro Mobility Aerotech KRW 10 billion, and Driveforce Eco-Friendly Ships 6 billion Korean won. Additionally, early-stage startups such as Lehigh UAV and Drones 2 billion Korean won, AD System Unmanned Aerial Vehicles and Stealth Drones 4 billion Korean won, Nearth Lab Drones and AI KRW 1 billion, UAM Tech UAV seed investment, and Mobility Lab drone software grants demonstrate active exploration of new markets, including UAM urban air mobility, drones, and autonomous navigation vessels. Mobility service platforms are finding new opportunities in specialized areas, such as maintenance, finance, and commerce. Representative examples include AutoHands Mobility Services KRW 15.5 billion, Conatus Mobility Platform KRW 13 billion, and Kerang Mobility Maintenance Platform 7 billion Korean won. The automotive semiconductor and software sector also saw successful fundraising by BOSS Semiconductor 20 billion Korean won, Etafos KRW 15 billion, and IVIS 4 billion Korean won. In contrast, there were no large-scale investments in electric vehicle charging startups aside from PlugLink. While investment in the autonomous driving sector has sharply declined this year, it is positive to note that companies that successfully raised funds have markedly increased their expansion into overseas markets. They are focusing on commercialization results instead of fundraising. Autonomous A2Z, along with RideFlux, StradVision, and Vuran Technology, are actively advancing into global markets. The government announced the K-Mobility Global Leadership Strategy worth 15 trillion Korean won this year, revealing its bold commitment to financial support. With the globalization of K-autonomous driving startups becoming visible and investment diversification in future markets, such as aviation and maritime mobility, aligning with government policy support, the market is expected to enter a mature phase.